Risks and benefits of the keto diet everyone should know. Research and anecdotal evidence show the ketogenic diet can help the body and the mind, but the diet fad isn't without its downsides. Where does your energy come from? For most people, the answer is carbohydrates. But followers of the ketogenic diet take a different approach and source their energy from fat. The diet calls for consuming high amounts of fat, a moderate amount of protein, and a very limited amount of carbs. It's usually broken down to 75, 20, and 5% of your daily calories. The possible benefits of the diet are impressive, but there are a few potential downsides to note. It's also common for people starting the diet to experience flu-like symptoms, such as headaches and fatigue. This side effect is so common that there's a name for it, the keto flu. You shed a ton of water weight at first, which can lead to dehydration. Other potential risks include kidney stones, several vitamin and mineral deficiencies, decreased bone mineral density, and gastrointestinal distress. 7. And while some fats can be healthy, there's a risk that in following a high-fat diet, you'll increase your intake of unhealthy trans and saturated fats. These bad fats are found in things like red meat, poultry skin, cheese, and butter, and can lead to an increased risk of bad cholesterol and heart disease. If you're looking to lose weight, keep in mind that the diet likely requires a complete overhaul to the way you normally eat. But it may be worth it if you're looking to lose weight or have one of the health conditions it's been shown to help with. To be on the safe side, be sure to discuss with your doctor whether the keto diet is right for you before you drastically change your eating habits.